Let's learn another 50 words for beginners, together with a few phrases. Recently or lately. She has been tired recently. Have you seen him lately? Since. They have been working here since 2000. Already. Have you already paid it? Wonder. No wonder you did that. Reach. I couldn't reach you on the phone yesterday. Reach out to somebody or contact somebody. I'll reach out to you next week. Please contact Mr. Jones. Excitement. I'm so excited. Typical of. That's typical of children. Chill out. Chilly. Chill out. It was a chilly morning. Quick. Thank you for the quick answer. Contract. Has she signed the contract? Agree. Agreement. It should be part of the agreement. Amazing. Awesome. Wonderful. Our holiday was amazing. Horrible. Terrible. Awful. That's a terrible thing. Early. It was too early to say that. Temperature. What is the temperature outside? Wait. Weigh. Weigh your words, please. Dessert. What is your favorite dessert? Attend. I've been attending the school for 4 years. Important. That's the most important thing. Part. I would like to be a part of it. Sick. Ill. I feel sick. I'm sick of it. Young. He looks much younger than her. Explain. Could you explain it to me? Offer. What can I offer you, sir? Juicy. Those apples were so juicy. Spice. Spicy. I don't like spicy food. Ski. To ski. Skiing. I want to try skiing. Music. She listens to music a lot. Decide, decision, to make a decision. Have you decided yet? Yet. Are we there yet? Not yet. Expensive, cheap. His car was cheaper than hers. Spot. Let's sit down in a sunny spot. Experience. I don't have much experience with it. Friendly, user-friendly, or baby-friendly. His father isn't very friendly. Insurance. Who will pay the insurance? Hope. I hope so. I hope not. Sea. Have you ever been to the sea? Raw. I never eat raw meat. Card, ID card, postcard, business card. Have you seen my ID card? Deliver, delivery. It should be delivered within 24 hours. Mountain, in the mountains. We wanted to spend the weekend in the mountains. Neighbor, neighborhood. I love living in this neighborhood. Herb, herbal. I usually drink herbal tea in the morning. Work out. Do you work out every day? I can't work it out. I hope it will work out for you. Valid, invalid. I'm sorry, madam, your passport is invalid. ever. Have you ever been to Paris? Weird, strange. Weirdo, stranger. I'm sorry, I'm a stranger here myself. Her boyfriend is a weirdo. Improve. I would like to improve my English. And now, a few phrases. I've changed my mind. I've had enough. I was just wondering. I can't wait. I'm so excited. What have you been up to recently? Easy come, easy go. Take it easy. No wonder. I hope so. I hope not. I think so. I think not, or I don't think so. That's all for today. Bye-bye.